So this is Freiburg against Stuttgart from the Bundesliga here, and you can see Freiburg are an odds-on favourite. Quick bit of just a checking of the research, and Freiburg aren't really great at keeping clean sheets. So you can see we've covered a whole bunch of scorelines here, obviously covering potential 0-1 to Stuttgart and that 1-1 scenario should that crop up, and we're going to trade as the match develops, as the goals go in. Let's see what happens in play. Half time here, Freiburg 0, Stuttgart 1. So as we kind of anticipated, Freiburg probably weren't going to keep a clean sheet. So anyway, we're going to try and leverage something of this 0-1 to Stuttgart. We don't expect it to remain 1-0 to Stuttgart. So we're going to lay it off, and we're going to lay off, and that's going to pretty much put it down to 0. And it's going to lower our risk on the overall trade, as you're going to see here. So look, if Stuttgart do go 2-0 up, 3-0 up, then we're going to be completely dead, and we've obviously called this trade wrong, and we'll accept the loss if that's the case. But probability wise, we're still expecting Freiburg to get back into it, and hopefully we should get onto that 1-1. So now that's been taken, as you can see here, that's bumped up the green a little bit on that 1-1, lowered the overall risk. And so ideally, if we can get onto that 1-1, okay, we just don't want Stuttgart to double the lead is the big hope, really. So let's see what happens. It's half time. Freiburg 0, Stuttgart 1. So 63 minutes on the clock. It has gone 1-1. Freiburg 1, Stuttgart 1. And so we're on this 1-1 scoreline, and we're going to have to lay it off. Remember, we're still exposed if it goes to 1-2 to Stuttgart. So we want to try our best to minimize any potential loss on this. So again, we're going to have to go down to pretty much lay off this 1-1 scoreline, and yeah, we're going to put that order in the market. And so that's going to put us in a worst case scenario if it does go to 2-1 to Stuttgart now. Then we're looking at a 28% loss on our stake. But ideally, if we can get it onto the 2-1 to Freiburg, then we've got some nice profit potential at that particular point. And that's when we'll be looking to cash out and lock in profits from there. Obviously, if it just remains 1-1, we're going to break even. Anyway, 64 minutes on the clock, still lots of time left to get that goal in favour of Freiburg. That's what we were looking for. 85 minutes on the clock, Freiburg have taken the lead, and so we are on this 2-1 scoreline. We've still got £30 of risk in the market, but anyway, let's try and lay this off to give ourselves at least £100 of profit if it remains 2-1. 2-2 is obviously still a possibility, and we need to obviously be aware of that. It could be an equaliser to Stuttgart, but if there is going to be another goal, probability-wise, it's going to go to Freiburg. So we're going to give ourselves a bit more profit on the 3-1, as you can see. So this is going to be pretty much probably our final position. It's 2-1. If it remains 2-1, £100 of profit. If Stuttgart do equalise, we're actually going to take a little bit of a hit. Not great, but we're willing to take that risk. £72, okay? But if Freiburg can get another goal, we've got more profit potential sitting on the 3-1 possibility. Okay, so anyway, 2-1, 87 minutes on the clock. Let's see how this one finishes. So we're deep into injury time on this one, and it does look like the final score is going to be Freiburg 2, Stuttgart 1. So it looks like we're going to make that £100 profit, which is 100% return on our original risk, and that's a very, very nice return. And at the same time, we were in a position to double that, or more than double that, if there was a late goal, which is also a very nice position to be in. So in the end, you saw we had to kind of dig it out. The first goal went to the underdog. You saw what we did. We leveraged that to get us onto the 1-1. We were lowering our risk as we went as well, because we still had that possibility that Stuttgart, the underdog, might have started to run away with it. So it was very important. We did lower our risk, and we did that. And in the end, we've got into the position we wanted, and 100% return on your risk. Very, very nice. Final score, I expect Freiburg 2, Stuttgart 1. And if you enjoyed that little clip, we would really, really love it if you could click the like button to support the channel. The more likes we get, the more clips we will put out in the future. Oh, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done that. And if you do like the look of correct score trading, and you want to know how to learn more about correct score trading and take it up to the next level, then you can download this free Correct Score Mastery course prospectus ebook. Click the link that is in the description of this video. It should be below the video. Click on the link, put in your very best email address, and we will email it right to you. And this ebook will tell you everything you need to know about taking your correct score trading to the next level, all the way to mastering this market. And the correct score market, it really is one of the best football trading markets to learn, but it's also absolutely huge and a little bit complex. So as said, if you want to learn more about it, click below to get your course prospectus ebook, and that will explain pretty much everything. And you can take a closer look at everything that is involved. It's absolutely free, so take a look. And while you're there, if you want to see another great football trading video, and hopefully a correct score one, the video on the screen should be one that you will enjoy. So click on that video and head over there, go grab a nice cold beer, and let's get into it.